All right guys, let me ask you something real quick. If your Jeep still has the factory halogen headlights or even the stock LEDs, have you ever just driven your Jeep at night and were like, man, these aren't it? Because I've been there, and that's why I want to talk about these Diode Dynamics Elite Series headlights. They're not brand new, but they're seriously underrated. And if you're running a Jeep JL or a Gladiator, these might be one of the cleanest upgrades you make. So here's what you need to know. These are full LED headlight replacements. We're not talking about just swapping out bulbs. You're getting full bi-LED projectors built from the ground up with way better output and beam control than stock. The light pattern is sharp, wide, and bright without blinding everybody else on the road. But where it gets fun is the DRL setup. You get the option for white or amber DRL running lights. You choose. And they also added a welcome sequence to the lights. So when you unlock your Jeep, the lights come to life. With a little bit of animation, it's clean, subtle, and it makes the Jeep seem a little more high-end. Now, if you go with the Elite Max version, you also get built-in trail lights for off-roading. It's like having auxiliary lighting built right into your headlights. No extra pods, no brackets, just integrated lighting that looks factory. The install is plug and play for most JLs and Gladiators. Just bolt them up and go. These are also assembled right here in the USA. They also have an IP67 rating, and they also come with an 8-year warranty. Diode Dynamics not messing around with the build quality on this one. If you're investing in some headlights, this is the kind of piece of mind you want. So who are these really for? If you're doing a lot of night driving, overlanding, off-roading, this is a great upgrade. If you just want your Jeep to have that custom premium look with cleaner visibility and those cool features, these check all the boxes. And honestly, if you're not wheeling, these just look good day or night. Now these aren't cheap. You're looking around $850 to $1,100 depending on which one you go with. But when you stack that up against other high-end options out there, plus the features you're getting, the 8-year warranty, and the fact this is plug and play, it's a solid investment. They look good, they work great, and they're built to last. So tell me, if you were running these on your Jeep, would you go with the white DRLs or the amber? Let me know in the comments. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.